What's body temperature? What's the body temperature normal? How does body temperature maintained? Body temperature is the average temperature of the deep tissues in the body core. It remains almost exactly constant, varying not more than 1 degree. No single temperature level can be considered to be normal, because measurements on many people have shown a range of the body temperature varying under different conditions. For example, oral temperature is 36.7 to 37.7 degrees. Axillary temperature is 36 to 37.4 degrees. Rectal temperature is 36.9 to 37.9 degrees. The constancy of body temperature is the result of a balance between heat production and heat loss. How does your body gain heat? Heat is produced within your body as a result of metabolic activities, such as tissue muscles. Thus, large amounts of heat is set free in these organs, then distributed to all parts of your body by the blood. For example, at rest, the major contributor is liver, but during exercise, the major contributor is skeletal muscles. How does the body lose the heat? Maximum heat is lost from the body through skin and a small amount through respiration, kidney, and GI. The skin is the most important heat loss organ. Its heat loss methods include radiation, conduction, convection, and evaporation. Skin emits heat in the form of invisible infrared heat rays. We call this radiation. If body temperature is higher than the temperature of the surrounding, greater quantity of heat is radiated from the body. Radiation rate depends on 1. The temperature difference between the skin and the environment. 2. Effective radiation area of the body surface. The transfer of body heat to a cooler object in direct contact with the body, we call this conduction. When you contact with highly conductive surface, like ice or metal, they conduct heat away from the body until the temperature increases. Conduction rate depends on 1. The temperature difference between the skin and the contact objects. 2. Effective conduction area of the body surface. 3. Substance thermal conductivity. Convection means when air in contact with the skin is warmed, then moves away and carries off the heat. Convection rate depends on 1. The temperature difference between the skin and the air. 2. Air flow. Evaporation means heat from skin converts water or sweat to water vapor. Evaporation requires vapor pressure gradients between skin and air. Evaporation rate depends on 1. Environment temperature and relative humidity. 2. Convective current around the body. 3. Amount of skin surface exposed. At last, I will give you a thinking problem. Refer to this lecture. How does heat stroke occur? What should be done if heat stroke occurs.